So last week I posted this problem and I solved it in a little bit of a creative process of elimination way. But I said in the video, if you want to see the algebraic method, just leave a comment. And several people, including Ernest, did. So here's the algebraic way. So just to recap, we have these two cities, Youkville and Zoukville. They're divided by a wall. That's a reference to the Butter Battle book, by the way. The ratio of the populations of Youkville to Zoukville is 3-4. One day, 6,000 people from Zoukville defect to Youkville, and the new ratio is 23-26. So we're asking, before the defection, how many people lived in Youkville? All right, so I'll start where I started yesterday, which is just writing out the information that we have. We know that the ratio at the beginning of Youkville to Zoukville is 3-4. So if we go down the algebraic route, here's what we want to do. I don't know how many people live in Youkville at the moment, but I do know that it's some multiple of 3, right? It's either 6 to 8 or 30 to 40 or 300 to 400. Both of these numbers are going to be multiplied by the same thing, right? So that means what I could say is the ratio of Youkville to Zoukville is 3x to 4x, right? Whatever Youkville is, it's 3 times some number, and whatever Zoukville is, it's 4 times that number. Well, let's start this population shift here. 6,000 people from Zoukville defect to Youkville. So let's set up the post migration number. I start with 4x people in Zoukville. That could be 4,000, 4 million, 8, whatever, right? And I lose 6,000 of them. So I'm gonna put this over here. So this is the new Zoukville and Youkville, right? There's Youkville and there's Zoukville now. The new Zoukville has 6,000 less people in it. So it's 4x minus 6,000. And of course, the new Zoukville has 4x minus 6,000. The new Youkville has 3x plus 6,000. Those 6,000 people are now part of that. We know the new ratio is 23-26. So let's set up this equation. We can say that the ratio of Youkville to Zoukville, right? 3x plus 6,000 over 4x minus 6,000 is going to be equal to 23/26, right? And I'll pause right there and just say the creative way is a lot faster, isn't it? I'm just pointing that out, but you want to see the algebra, so here it is. Well, what are we going to do here? We're going to cross multiply, right? So we cross multiply this. We do 3x plus 6,000 times the quantity of 26. What that gives me, I'll write it over here, is 26 times 3. I wrote this down for myself because it's a lot of numbers here. 78x, right? 78x plus 156,000 equals 92x minus 138,000. I'm running out of room there. Also, just say 138K, 138,000. All right, well, let's solve this. Subtract 78 from both sides. I get 14x on the left side. Add 138 to both sides. What do I get over there? Well, I get, what is that? 394. Or sorry, 294. There we go. 294,000 equals 14x. Divide both sides by 14, and I find that x equals 21,000. So I'm still not done, right? Because I still have to figure out how many people were in Youkville before that shift, right? So it's going to be 3x, 3 times that number. 3 times 21,000 is 63,000. So C is the correct answer here. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.